Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 7.3.9 and we are going to remove a user from all groups. So Salman Chola is no longer part of the sales team and is waiting to be assigned a new position. In the meantime, you do not want him to have access to sales resources. Complete this lab from the terminal. In the lab, your task is to remove the Chola user from all secondary group membership and view the /etc/group file to verify the changes. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. Let us go ahead and start lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the computer test out lab by clicking the join button on this video. So we'll wait for the lab to load. Alright, so that is all. We type in usermod -g Chola presenter and then groups as Chola. Then you press enter and then we go ahead and score lab. Alright, so we score lab. I think we're through. So in case you find this video to be helpful, consider sharing this video on other educational platforms like Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and TikTok so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.